Hey, so if you're learning Webflow, chances are you're making a few mistakes without even realizing it. And yeah, that's totally normal. In this video, I'll show you the most common beginner mistakes and how to fix them fast. One big mistake: no proper structure. Beginners just add random divs everywhere, which makes everything messy. Fix this by using a simple structure: sections, containers, then elements. Keep it clean and organized. Another common issue: naming classes like div1 or text2. Yeah, that gets confusing really fast. Instead, use clear names like hero title or card button so you always know what you're editing. A lot of beginners design only for desktop and forget mobile completely. Always check tablet and mobile views and adjust your layout. Most users are on mobile anyway. Too many animations. Uh, this one's very common. It looks cool at first, but quickly becomes distracting. Keep animations simple and purposeful, like subtle hover effects or fade-ins. Beginners often rebuild the same elements again and again, like navbars or footers. Use components so you can update everything at once. It saves a ton of time. Bad spacing makes even good designs look unprofessional. Uneven margins, random gaps. Use consistent padding and margins. Align everything properly using Flexbox or Grid. Another big one: ignoring SEO. No titles, no descriptions, no alt text. Add page titles, meta descriptions, and image alt text. This helps your site rank on search engines. And finally, not testing your site. Broken links, forms not working. Yeah, it happens. Always preview and test everything before you publish, just to be safe. And yeah, that's it. Avoid these mistakes, fix them early, and your Webflow sites will look way more professional. Keep building, and you'll improve fast. Hey, so